Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about chemistry. The topic today is about second order reaction. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we have the formula in here. 1 over capital A equals to 1 over 80 in here. Plus KT. So we want to find about capital A in here. A0 that is about initial concentration. That is about this one. K that is about the rate. T that is about the time. So we can put the number code here and we can find the value of A. So I will put this one go to the left, capital A go to the right. And we have 0.03101, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.